His own government ruling BJP MLA Michael Lobo lambasted the Kalangut police, holding them responsible for all the illegalities happening in the Sinkeri Kalangut Baga tourism belt. Michael said he would demand with the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar that 80% of the personnel at the Kalangut police station should be transferred or replaced. He also accused a lower-ranked policeman attached to the police station for neglecting their responsibilities. Michael said, except for collecting haftas religiously, the Kalangut police personnel simply refused to take any policing responsibility. He said it's high time Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar takes some serious steps to put the police station in order.
It is evident that dogs and officer already sapadlele ha. Tinga crime kind detect जायना. Everything is going unchecked. And who is making money on this? Police. Kalangut police station is the most corrupt police station in Goa right now. It is not a charge, it is the truth. I demand inquiry on this thing, and 80% staff should be transferred immediately. 80% कित्याक हे आता गेले 1.5 वर्स जे पुलीस हिंगा येयल्ले आहा तेंका सगळी खबर आहा कोण हुंय कितें कोत्ता पळय तो, आनी दे आर ओनली रिपोर्टिंग टू देयर हायर अप्स ऑन हुंयचे सुद्दां इलिगल एक्टिविटीज चलता आनी कितले हफ्ते बसोवपाचे पळय ते. हे खाली हफ्ते घेवपाचेच काम चालू आहा. टोटल करप्शन आनी हे सगळे इलिगल एक्टिविटीज चालूच आहा. सो हेचो बॉस कोण तरी आसतलो न्हू. So Kalangut police station, who is heading, if he cannot control the crime, the whole blame should be on him. He should take responsibility instead of catching one small person. What about the other staff? इतल्यो thefts, robberies जाले कोणूच responsibility घेना. Kalangut police stationar कोण वसत बसून जाल्यार report करपाक जाल्यार तेजे missing report दिता. I have seen 7 to 8 missing reports for the last 1 week. That the bag is missing on near Bandodkar statue, that the bag is missing at Baga. What is this? What is the meaning of missing? It is a theft. Somebody has snatched it. Somebody has shown a knife and taken away the gold and the belongings. What is going on? Are you all not going to give security to the tourist? One side you all are inviting the tourist. Goa is safe, Goa is heaven, Goa is this, and police cannot provide simple security to the tourist. There has to be an investigation. An investigation has to be carried by an IPS officer and see how the functioning of Kalangut police station is going on. It is a belt where everything is available at a price. So हे खाली stop करचे साडून collection चालू हा. Crime stoput ना. या परिस्थिती झाली आमची की even the robberies which are taking place and thefts which are taking place, dacoities which are taking place with knives and all are not checked. The Chief Minister is on record that he will never allow this. But it is happening. When this is happening, we need to stop it. Who is doing this? Goa police. Kalangut police station is doing it. I am not saying Home Department should be totally blamed for this. We need to put this police station in order. So Chief Minister, somewhere down the line, he has to bring all these people together, the senior IPS officers, and tell them, I want this police station in order. Festivals zalle. Tinga 1,000 worth rupees drugs dolle म्हणून येतो ओल्डो बोबाव केला. Narcotics Control Bureau with 7 to 8 officers, entire team नेमची 2 officer असतले and बाकीचे down the line team, they caught 1 crore worth drugs, narcotics. So it is totally seen on record that coastal belt police stations are not acting on drugs. जाऊ ते कलांगूट पुलिसान 1,000चो ड्रग्स धरला माहिती ते 2 मिनिटांनी बेल जाता त्याची 2च मिनिटांनी because it is a small quantity where the big sharks are just left. Narcotics Control Bureau is doing a good job. Why can't Coastal Belt Police Station, who has all the information, who are the sellers and who are the buyers? The policemen at Kalangut Police Station should be reshuffled. And why they should be reshuffled? The senior IPS officers who are there, SP North is there, DIG is there, DG is there, they should know why I am talking about all these things. Or they should come and Just walk around and talk to the people what is happening in my coastal belt.
Hunger strike as a must.
No, failing which I will definitely go on a hunger strike along with all my people.